What's going on, everybody? Trey Sense here, man. I got another great cologne review for you. Okay, this one, again, is from a house that I've talked about a little bit. Think it's a very underrated house. Great basketball player. Some call him the GOAT, Michael Jordan. And this one is Michael Jordan 23. And I got to tell you, man, this fragrance right here is one of the best. This is one of my favorite colognes, bar none, out of all that I have, out of my cheapies, my more expensive designers, of the few niche colognes that I have. This is one of my favorites. Honestly, it is. Now, what this fragrance is, it's an aquatic. It's Acqua di Gio buffed up with a little bit of a bad boy streak. If Acqua di Gio, because Acqua di Gio is kind of preppy. It's kind of soft. Great fragrance, but it's kind of soft. It's kind of preppy. This is the little brother that everybody knew was going to be bad. This is what this is. This is it in a nutshell. Great fragrance, man. It just reminds me of the beach, partly because I wore it to the beach the last time my wife and I went on vacation. I think I reached for this just about every single day because it just fit in so good with that salty sea air that was coming off the Gulf Coast. It just worked. And it's so inexpensive and it works great in the heat. Oh man, it's just, I even wore it in the pool, got out of the pool, and you can still smell it on me. It's a great fragrance, especially for what you're going to pay for it, man. It's Michael Jordan 23. I think I got this one for about $16, $17. And this is the bigger bottle. This is the 3.4 ounce, 100 mil. You can get the smaller 1.7, 50 mil. And it's closer to $10. $10. I think it's like 12 for that one. So this one was about 15. You just can't go wrong with this. And I honestly can't say enough of good things about it. If you like Perry Ellis Red, if you like Acqua di Gio, if you like Paris Hilton just for him, Paris Hilton just me for him, then you'll like this as well. Great fragrance, man. I just can't say enough about it. I'll tell you another one it reminds me of. Bulgari Aquamora, I think that's it. The round one that's kind of brownish, goldish color. It smells better than that though. But that's what it'll remind you of. It'll remind you of a Bulgari fragrance because it's got that saltiness to it. It just smells like you've spent all day down on the beach. Another fragrance that it reminds me of is something from the house of Tommy Bahama, along those lines. But the only thing about it is this one actually has better performance than the Tommy Bahama fragrances. It actually has better performance than Acqua di Gio. To me, Acqua di, for the price that you pay for it, it's just not a good performing fragrance. That's why I don't care to have it in my collection. The last bottle I had of it, I think I either sold it or gave it away because it didn't work as well on my skin as its counterparts. Didn't work as well as G from Balcam. It didn't work as well as Perry Ellis 360 Red. So, and it doesn't work as well as this one. This is a great fragrance. I highly recommend it. I don't care how many bottles of cologne you have. I don't care, what you've got in your collection. Please do yourself a favor and get this bad boy here. For the price, you will not be disappointed. Spring is here. Summer's coming up. Man, when I take that cap off, I'm just reminded of the beach. Salty sea air, wet rocks, just the smell of the sea and the salt. When you take your clothes off after you've been in the ocean and you've got that smell of sea air and salt on you, that's what this is in a bottle, man. And price points on it, like I said, the 1.7 is in between 10 and 15, and the 100 mil 3.4 is in between 15 and 20. And for that money, you're going to get yourself a great fragrance that can be worn any occasion. Like I said, you can dress this bad boy up, you can dress it down, and you're going to get yourself a nice fragrance. Don't overpay for it, though. The longevity on it, like I said, you can expect 5 to 6 hours of longevity with 3 to 4 hours of projection. And you got a nice fragrance here. All right, guys. That's going to wrap it up for this one. Thank you for tuning in. Like, share, subscribe. If you got anything you want me to talk about out there, let me know and I'll be glad to get my hands on it. All right. Until next time, guys.